Hello everyone, welcome back, and wedding season is here. So today I'm going to show you how to transform yourself from this to this. Yes, in today's video I will show you step by step how to achieve this look. Yes, you heard it right. You can do it yourself and you don't need any makeup artist for this. Just follow these simple steps and trust me, it will look like your makeup has been done by some professional makeup artist. It is a very gorgeous look, yet very simple that anybody can pull off. So please watch the entire video without skipping any steps. So without any further ado, let's begin. Before that, please subscribe to my channel. Since it's a bridesmaid's makeup, so I wanted something very lightweight and comfortable because bridesmaids have to be always on their heels, running everywhere and doing so many stuff. And for that reason, for today's makeup, I have selected all products from Milani Cosmetics as it delivers prestige quality products at affordable prices that fit the needs of every skin tone. It has amazing pigment, gives waterproof, sweatproof results and you can lock in your look for long hours. So do try their products and I'm sure you will love it. Because I don't think any other brand can deliver such quality product at this price. Let's first prep the skin, and for moisturizing my face I am using Cetaphil moisturizer, and for my lips I am going with Milani Rose Lip Balm. For primer, I am using Milani Bright Side Illuminating Face Primer. It instantly brightens and leaves your skin ultra hydrated with a radiant finish. Great for all skin tones. For foundation, I am using Milani Foundation Plus Concealer in the shade Warm Beige. It gives medium to full coverage with natural matte finish. It is long lasting plus oil free, waterproof and sweat proof. So you can look your best no matter what the day brings. And whatever is left on my brush, I will just apply on my neck. To highlight my face, I will use Milani Conceal Plus Perfect Long Wear Concealer in the shade 145. This creamy, full coverage, water resistant concealer instantly conceals and lasts up to 12 hours. Be fearless about this liquid concealer, which is perfect for addressing under eye circles, blemishes and skin discoloration. And to set this base makeup, I will use Milani Loose Powder. I will dust this lightly to my entire face. And to lock this base makeup, I will use Milani Make It Last Setting Spray. Now meet the Milani All-Inclusive Eye, Cheek and Face Palette featuring a bronzer, 2 blush shade and 3 eyeshadows, and a highlighter. These easily build and blend together, so you can go from subtle to strobed with just one palette. Now let's give some dimension to my face. So for that I'm using a powder bronzer to my usual areas, that is hollows of my cheekbone, forehead, jawline and nose. For blush I'm using this shimmery rose shade. It instantly brightens up my face with such beautiful flush of colors. Next I will quickly fill my eyebrows. I'm just filling all my spar areas and then will set it with a brow gel. For eyeshadows I'll be using the light brown shade for my crease. And then we'll take the dark brown and will apply only to the outer corner of my eyes. And then the shimmer shade all over my lid. And then with a blending brush, I am going to just blend this properly. We'll take this blush shade and we'll smoke it on my lower lid. We'll draw a sharp wing liner. Make it sure that it's a waterproof liner, and I'm using Milani Anti-Gravity Mascara. In this wedding season, as you are bridesmaids, you will cry, so make sure that you are using a waterproof product for your eyes. And then a kajal. You can stop here, but I like to add some drama to my eyes. You can see the difference with and without. Now my favorite part, highlighter. I'm going to just add this to all my high points of the face. For lips, I'm using this Milani matte lipstick in the shade Gorgeous. And so that my makeup lasts for entire party, I'm going to lock this with Milani setting spray. And this is my final look. I hope you enjoyed this video, so please don't forget to hit the like button and to subscribe to my channel. And I'm sure you're going to recreate this look, so please don't forget to tag me. My Instagram handle will be in the description box. That's all for today. We'll see you in my next. Till then, live happily and stay beautiful.